Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to start a dropshipping business with fast US shipping and automation? In this video, I will show you how to use a Zendrop with Shopify, step by step from setup to product import to fulfilling your first order. Let's get started. First of all, what is Zendrop? Zendrop is a dropshipping automation platform that connects you with US and global suppliers. You can import products to your Shopify store, customize product information, automate order fulfillment, offer fast shipping, especially for US customers. Perfect for beginners and those tired uh, of slow AliExpress shipping. So, create a Zendrop account. Go to zendrop.com. Now click try for free. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary mail. Enter your first name, last name, then enter your phone number. Copy the mail address and paste it here. You can use your personal email address. Set a strong password. Then click create an account. Now choose a plan like Zendrop Plus. And for this tutorial, I will choose the free plan to start or trial pro for faster shipping and branding. After sign up, click connect your store. Log in to your Shopify account. Go to add new store. Now click add new store button from the dashboard. Then click continue. Now enter your Shopify login credentials. Approve Zendrop permissions. Now it's linked. Your Shopify store is now connected to Zendrop, ready for product import. Go to the Zendrop product catalog. Use filters like US warehouse or categories like gadgets, beauty, paid, etc. Now click add to my product. Then go to import list. Edit product titles. Description, price, set profit margin, choose images, then click post to store. Now it's live on your Shopify website. In Zendrop, go to settings from your profile section. Now add a payment method, click billing option, then click add payment method. Now enter your credit card or PayPal account details if available. Turn on auto fulfillment. Now every time a customer orders from your store, Zendrop will fulfill it, send tracking, and update your customer. You can also track orders under the orders tab. What to stand out? Zendrop Pro lets you add branded invoices, use custom packaging, send thank you notes inside orders. This helps build trust and repeat buyers, great for scaling. Choose products with low shipping time and high demand. Test multiple niches before scaling. Use Shopify apps like just.me or upsell plugin. Go to Shopify store, then click apps. Now go to app and sales channel settings, then click Shopify App Store. Search for now just.me GJTG and install the app. Use Zendrop's analytics to track best sellers. Always check product reviews and test orders. You can also use upsell. Search upsell from here and choose one from here, upsell. And that's how you set up a fully automated Shopify dropshipping store with Zendrop in just a few steps. Whether you are just starting or scaling fast, Zendrop makes fulfillment stress-free. Want a tutorial on strategies or niche selection? Drop a comment. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.